Travelers love to create wish lists of dream destinations around the world that they must absolutely visit. In 2007, an international public opinion poll was conducted to decide on which were the 7 most awe-inspiring places in the world that just had to be on everyone's list. A short list was drawn up of the 21 most visited places around the world. More than 100 million votes were cast worldwide, and the ultimate wish list, known as the 7 Wonders of the World, finally emerged. This global project was spearheaded by the Swiss-based New 7 Wonders Foundation, and while some critics have questioned the legitimacy of the organization behind this effort, who can argue with the universal appeal of these places? Here are some unique facts about each of the 7 wonders of the world. At number 1, we have Machu Picchu, ancient Inca fortress in Peru. Set in a remote location in the Andes, the sprawling complex of intricate stone buildings was discovered by American explorer Hiram Bingham III in 1911 and has been a source of unending fascination ever since. At number 2, Petra, also known as the Lost City of Stone. Located in a remote canyon in Jordan's southwestern desert, Petra is an ageless stone complex built by the ancient Nabateans. These temples and tombs are carved directly into the steeply rising walls of the pink sandstone cliffs, creating a one-of-a-kind setting. Number 3, the Great Wall of China. Started more than 2,000 years ago to keep invaders from crossing its northern border, this great protective boundary structure is actually a series of walls and fortifications that stretch for more than 13,000 miles in northern China. Over the years, erosion and flooding have caused substantial damage. A few sections have been restored, such as at Mutianyu, outside of Beijing, which include 23 watchtowers and crenellated parapets on both sides of a 3-mile-long stretch of the stone wall. Number 4, Chichen Itza, Mexico. Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula is known for its Mayan sites, including Tulum above the Caribbean Sea, and Coba with its 9-tier pyramid. But the largest and most renowned is the Chichen Itza ruins, dating to 600 AD. The complex is dominated by a 78-foot pyramid-shaped temple known as El Castillo. While you can no longer climb the steps to the top today, you will still be awed by the size and splendor of the ancient temple. At number 5, the statue of Christ the Redeemer, Brazil. Rio de Janeiro's Christ the Redeemer statue is Brazil's most famous landmark. Perched atop the 2,296-foot-tall Corcovado mountain overlooking the city, the huge 98-foot-tall statue of Jesus with outstretched arms makes for a truly imposing sight. At the top of the mountain, you are treated to a stunning panorama of the city skyline and Sugarloaf Mountain. At night, the brightly illuminated statue creates the illusion of Jesus floating in the darkened sky, keeping watch over the sleeping city. Number 6, the Colosseum, Rome. Rome, also known as the Eternal City, is home to more ancient treasures than we can count. But one that's truly worthy of being called a wonder of the world is the Colosseum. This massive arena where gladiators fought to the death was built around 80 AD, and it held 50,000 people in tiered seating. Wear comfortable shoes if you wish to climb the many steps that lead to the topmost tier, where you will get terrific views of the limestone structure and also over Rome itself. At number 7, the Taj Mahal in India. The Taj Mahal, located on the southern bank of the Yamuna River in Agra, is a monument to the eternal emotion of love. Built in the 17th century by Mughal Emperor Shah Jahan as a tomb to house the mortal remains of his beloved wife Mumtaz Mahal, it took 20,000 artisans and 20 years to complete. With its majestic central dome and surrounding minarets, this pristine white marble mausoleum is one of the world's most recognizable and beautiful buildings, especially at sunrise and sunset. Do you have any other place in mind that you feel could be worthy competition to any of the locations mentioned in this video? If so, we would be happy to hear from you. Leave your suggestions in the comment section below. And please do subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.